Hello and welcome. We all know overeating can be bad for our health. Weight gain, obesity, diabetes and certain cancers can all result from taking in too many calories through overeating. By following these 15 CBT tips, we can overcome overeating. CBT involves changing the way we think or feel, and so change the way we behave. So by adopting these 15 alternative thoughts, when overeating strikes, we can change our behaviors and not overeat. Now, this is not a quick fix. Practice makes perfect. You must practice these 15 alternative thoughts when overeating strikes. Pick out 2 or 3 of these alternative thoughts. Think about them. Internalize them. And when you are tempted by overeating, put these 2 or 3 of these alternative thoughts front and center of your mind. By ingraining these alternative thoughts into your mind, you will be armed to face the challenge of overeating. So, here are these top 15 CBT tips to overcome overeating. Number 1. I have overcome many challenges before, so I can overcome the challenge of overeating. Number 2. There is no physical need to overeat. Number 3. There is no universal law which says I have to overeat. Number 4. I do not want to overeat. It is the food industry pushing messages to make me overeat. Number 5. Advertising and marketing by food businesses is making me want to overeat. Number 6. Overeating means consuming excess calories. Number 7. Overeating is the mother and father of weight gain and obesity. Number 8. If I do overeat, it is not the end of the world. I will do better next time not to overeat. Number 9. Overeating is due to a lack of self-discipline and resilience. Number 10. My body was not designed to overeat. Number 11. My body does not need the extra calories. Number 12. If I overeat, I'll feel guilty later. Number 13. Overeaters need to buy bigger clothes. Number 14. The human body can cope perfectly well without overeating. And finally, number 15. Overeating can be detrimental to my health. I hope you found this video useful. Please comment, share, like and subscribe. If you have any comments to make, then please make a comment in the comments box below. I do read all your comments. Now, sleep deprivation is a trigger for overeating. If you wish to learn more about the ill effects of sleep deprivation and how to get a good night's sleep, then do watch our other videos on this channel. Please hit that subscribe button now, and thank you for watching.